Hello everyone. Today, we're excited to introduce the VETHIN Princess Bed Canopy for girls. A stunning addition to any bedroom with its double-layer sheer mesh and elegant round lace design. Perfect for creating a dreamy princess atmosphere. Crafted from 100% imported polyester, this fine mesh canopy measures 40 inches in diameter at the top, stands 110 inches high, and stretches 393 inches around the bottom, making it suitable for twin, full, queen, and king-sized beds. The unique Dream Princess design is ideal for girl cribs and children's beds, allowing you to decorate with a touch of fairy tale magic. Installation is a breeze with the included sticky hook, taking only seconds to hang from the ceiling, and it's easy to move from room to room without the hassle of measuring or mounting multiple hooks. This canopy makes the perfect gift for any occasion, whether it's Christmas, Valentine's Day, a birthday, or any other special celebration, bringing a touch of princess-like innocence to every girl's bedroom. Plus, our commitment to 100% satisfied service means our customer service team is ready to assist you within 24 hours if you have any questions or concerns. So why wait? Transform your loved one's bedroom into a magical retreat with the VETHIN Princess Bed Canopy today.